Right, I'm looking at exercise 21D, and we've got some x squares, we've got some x's and a number all equal to 0. Oh, this one looks like it's going to be easy, so I try to factorise, and x goes in the front. You have to forgive me for my messy writing. I've lost my stylus and I'm running with my finger and things get a bit messy. And then the last term has to be 1 and 1, doesn't it? But if you think about the number of x's I've got, I haven't got 4 of them, I've only got 2 of them, and so it doesn't factorise. Well, the factors aren't whole numbers at least. Okay, so from this point I've got 2 avenues I can go down. The first thing I could do is pick up my graphics calculator and go to Solver, and you're solving a polynomial with order 2. So you can find solve on the calculator and you're solving polynomial, and it's got a polynomial with degree 2, so you can find that on the calculator, and then typically, or on the calculator at least, it'll ask for the value of A, the value of B, and the value of C. The value of A, in my case, it's the number of x squares, or in this example, A is going to be 1, because 1 is in the front here. B is going to be plus 4, and C is going to be plus 1. And you can type that into the calculator and it'll give you 2 solutions, or it should give you 2 solutions. That's method 1. Method 2, get rid of this. Method 2 is we have something called the quadratic formula. Right, we've just had Sam join us. He's just woken up. Sam, are you going to say hello to the kids? Say hello. Okay, he's not going to say hello. I'm sure he might interrupt me in a second. The quadratic formula, as I was saying, you may have come across it before, but to solve for the value of x, you have to take minus the b, so minus the number of x's, add and subtract the square root of b squared minus 4ac, b squared, yeah, don't write on it, Sam, don't write on it, yeah, we don't want to write on it, b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, what the heck does all that mean? Okay, the bit I rubbed out, I told you that a was equal to 1, b was equal to 4, and c was equal to 1. Excuse me, Samuel. Okay, so I've got minus 4, because I'm just copying the formula now, plus or minus b, which is 4 squared, and I'll make it 16, because I know 4 squared is 16. I've got the square root, minus 4a, which is 1, and c, which is 1, so just minus 4. All divided by 2. Sam's just eating his yogurt. Here he is. Anyway, back to our problem. Simplifying becomes minus 4 plus or minus square root of 12 all divided by 2. Now, remember there's two solutions, that's why there's a plus and a minus above here. So you, on the calculator, you take the square, or minus 4 plus the square root of 12 divided by 2, that gives you your first solution, and then minus 4 minus the square root of 12 all divided by 2, and that will give you your second solution. You might ask, why do we need this big formula when the calculator does it instantly? It's more about being aware that there is a formula, and that's how the calculator imports the information as well, uses the formula. There's this part of the formula here is called the discriminant, and the discriminant is going to tell us the nature of the roots, and that's my next video. So it's more about being aware there's a formula, and then we're going to use the discriminant quite extensively, and I'll talk about that in my next video.